What's up, class? Coach Vega here. So this week we're going to be going over volleyball skills. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to spike. So the spike, it could be used in volleyball when you spike the ball. It's going to be a similar motion to when y'all go to school and play tetherball, because you're going to be smacking the ball. And it's also going to be a skill that you could use in net sports like tennis, badminton, all of those. So we're going to be going over the spike today. So the spike, first things first, we got to make sure we're going to be using our dominant hand. So I write with my right hand, so I'm going to be using my right hand. If you're a lefty, use your left hand, whatever your dominant hand is. So first thing, we're going to be using our right hand. Next, our right hand is, our fingers are going to be spread out. They're not closed in, they're going to be spread out. With the ball, right here I have a volleyball, but you can use different modifications. You could use a little toy ball, like right here I have a little yarn ball. You could roll up a couple pieces of paper. You could use one of your toys, as long as it's not a hard ball, or you can use like a balloon or a couple plastic bags, whatever your choice is. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be tossing it up with our opposite hand. So since I'm right-handed, I'm tossing up the ball with my left hand. So if you notice, my hand is gonna be straight and my arm does not move. So just directly up. I'm not gripping the ball, it's just gonna be laying flat on my palm. So I'm gonna be tossing it up, and with my right arm, my dominant hand, I'm gonna be bringing my arm back just a little behind my head, and then I'm gonna be keeping my hands open and literally just doing an elbow movement. So I'm gonna show you a little example with the yarn ball. So I have my arm out, the ball is gonna be placed on my hand, I'm gonna be tossing it up with the straight arm, and I'm following through in the direction that I'm hitting. So if I wanna hit it at the wall over here, I'm not gonna be aiming my target at you. I'm not gonna be aiming it at the portables. I'm gonna be aiming it at the wall. So I'm following through. So next we're gonna be using a wall. So first rule for you all at home, make sure your wall does not have any pictures frames. It doesn't have anything on the wall. Make sure you don't damage anything at home. I don't want your mom coming to Coach Hernandez or Coach Guevara yelling at them saying, why is the student teacher telling them to hit the wall? Next, you're using a soft item. Remember, a soft item, and we're gonna hit it against the wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a few steps back. I'm using my opposite hand to hold the ball. My dominant hand, the dominant side of my body is towards the back. I'm getting ready, my arm's out. I have my hand ready. Remember, hands are spaced out. My fingers are spaced out, sorry. Tossing the ball. And I'm aiming at my target. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, class. See y'all right now.